This video shows how to replace the heatsink cooling fan on an ODE IP20 frame size 3 as part of the planned maintenance schedule. Place the drive on a flat surface that will prevent damage to the plastics and allow easy access to internal parts. Ensure anti-static precautions are always taken. To remove the cover, tilt the drive to one side and push the 4 tabs inwards. Turn the drive over and repeat the process on the opposite side. The front cover can now be removed. Use long nose pliers to disconnect the fan lead. Now lift the PCB out of the rear housing and remove the fan. Use a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the 3 earth pillars. The torque setting is 1.5 Newton meters. Now remove the 6 screws that hold the filter board in place, using a Torx 10 screwdriver. The torque setting is 0.5 Newton meters. Replace the heatsink cooling fan using the parts supplied in the preventive maintenance kit. Rebuild the drive by reverse engineering the previous steps taken. Once any modifications have been completed to the drive, you must ensure the software is updated to the latest version.